Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install Ubuntu Server 24.04.1 LTS version on VirtualBox. First go to Ubuntu official website and download ubuntu.com, hit enter, then click on get Ubuntu, then click on server, then click on get Ubuntu server. See here we have the Ubuntu Server version 24.04.1 LTS version. See, these are the new features in Ubuntu 24.04 and this is the size of the ISO file. Scroll down. See, if you want to download by using alternative methods like torrent, you can download. Okay, and these are for 24. These are for 22.04. Okay, so if you want direct download, you can click on this download 24.04, or if you want torrent link, you have to click on alternative download. See here we have the Ubuntu Server 24.04.1 LTS. This is torrent file. As I told you, if you want server, go back server, direct ISO, click on direct this one. See, this must be server edition. Okay, click on it. Wait a moment, it will be downloaded. See, once we clicked on download started, go to downloads. See here, its size is 2.6 gigabytes. I am cancelling this one because I have already downloaded. In your case, wait until download completes. The other way is alternative downloads. Scroll down. Torrent link. Click on this one. See, torrent link downloaded. See, then you have to click on this torrent link. Okay. See, in my case, download is completed. Once download is completed, then open Oracle VirtualBox. If you want to install VirtualBox on your machine, then there is a link in the video description. You can go through it and you can install it. Now click on new or machine and select new. Both are same to create the virtual machine. Click on new, then provide the name for the virtual machine. I am giving UBS Noble 24 VM. See, UBS means Ubuntu Server Noble. Noble is a code name and version is 24 VM. Okay, so select the downloaded ISO file. See, this is the virtual machine name. Now we have to select the location to store this virtual machine files and folders. Click on drop down and this is the default location. If you want some other location, select other, then select the path where you have the enough space or as per requirement. Then create a folder, give the name and select that folder, then select the downloaded ISO file, that is Ubuntu Server 24.04. See here I have Ubuntu 24.04.1 live server ISO file. Select it. See, once we selected, type change it to Linux, subtype as Ubuntu and version as 64-bit, and also select this checkbox, that is skip unattended installation, otherwise it automatically installs. Okay, so select the checkbox. Then hardware, I am giving RAM as 4 gigabytes, number of CPU cores 2, then hard disk I am giving 100 gigabytes. It is up to you. So once we provide all the details, click on finish. See, these are the settings of the Ubuntu Server 24.04.1 virtual machine. But still, if you want to modify settings of this virtual machine, click on settings or right click on the virtual machine, then settings, or select it and select the machine and select the settings. All three options are same. If you are okay with all the settings, then click on, and also I want to show you network. See here, enable network adapter. See, by default it has attached NAT as network adapter type. I am going with bridge adapter. It is up to you. So click on OK. In your case, select NAT or bridge adapter, whatever you want as per requirement. Then click on start. Maximize it. Use up and down arrows. Select the first one, that is try or install Ubuntu Server, and hit enter. Cursor is grayed out. You have to press right control from your keyboard to release the cursor. See, now we are able to move the cursor. Okay, and also see here, use up, down and enter keys to select the language. So use the up and down arrows. I am going to use the English. So select the English and hit enter. Then see here, see installer update available. See, we have the 24.10.1 is now available. Okay, so I don't want, so continue without updating. Later also you can update. So select the second one, that is continue without updating, and hit enter. See, select keyboard layout. I'm going with defaults, those are English, variant also English. Then select the done and hit enter. Now we have to choose the base for the installation. See here we have the Ubuntu server and Ubuntu server minimized. I'm going with Ubuntu server. If you want to select Ubuntu server minimized, use the down arrow and select it by pressing spacebar. Okay, and I'm going with Ubuntu server. Then additional options, search for third-party drivers. So select it and give the spacebar. So both selected. Use the tab, come to done and hit enter. See, this is the IP address. Okay, I am not going to configure network information. I am going with the default. So select done and hit enter. Now proxy configuration, I don't want to configure. So keep it as blank and select done and hit enter. Ubuntu archive address. So this is the mirror address. So select done and hit enter. Select continue and done. Use entire disk and select done. See, this is the storage configuration summary. If you are okay with this one, select done, or if you want to restart, select reset. I am okay with these settings, then select done. This is just confirmation. Click on select continue and hit enter. Now we have to set up our create user. So I am giving username as R2 schools. Your server name, that is host name, I am giving UBS Noble VM. You can change the server name later also. Pick a username, R2 schools. Provide the password for this user. Then select done and hit enter. I don't want to enable Ubuntu Pro. So by default it is selected. Skip for now. So select continue and hit enter. If you want to install OpenSSH, you have to select I don't want. It is up to you. Then select done and hit enter. Continue. See here we have the following server snaps. Whatever you want you can select by using up and down arrows and give the space bar to select. Okay, if you want to unselect, just give this again space bar. At this moment I don't want any one of them. So select done and hit enter. See, installation has been started. I'm going to pause this video and at the end it will ask us to reboot the system. Then I will resume and we will perform the post installation steps. See here the message, installation complete. Okay, so use the tab, come down and select the reboot now. Before rebooting, go to VirtualBox Manager. See here we have in storage section we have the optical drive. Click on it and select the remove disk from virtual drive and click on force on mount and go to here and hit enter. If you don't remove that one, it will restart the installation. This is the host name and provide the login. So you give the username that we have created, then provide the password. Hit enter. See here the message displayed on the screen. Okay, system load, usage, swap usage, processes and other information and IP of the machine, etc. information displayed. Again, if you want to find the IP of the machine, just give ifconfig. Hit enter. See, it is not there, so install nettools. Sudo apt install nettools. Without nettools also you can find the IP of the machine by using IP addr. It is success control L IP addr. See here we got the same IP. Okay, so you can find using same IP config. See, we got the IP address. Okay, so more /etc os-release. See, we have installed Ubuntu Server 24.04.1 LTS and its code name is Noble Numbet. Okay, so the first step after connecting to Ubuntu Server is we have to update the packages. Sudo apt update & sudo apt upgrade. To run this command, we must have the internet connection. Okay, hit enter, type A and hit enter. See, this may take time. So in this video, we have seen how to download and install Ubuntu Server 24.04.1 Noble Numbet edition on VirtualBox. For more Linux tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.